Hello guys and welcome to Yummy Math. This tutorial is on quadratic equations. Let's go through some more problems on quadratic equations so that you guys have a clear understanding about the chapter. So example 1 is, let me read the question. During a card game, Mr. Bond has got 2 cards. The sum of cards denomination is 15. If the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10, then find the cards denomination. Okay, so let the cards denomination be x and 15 minus x, right? Okay, now the condition is sum of cards denomination is 15 if the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10. Let's use this condition. Okay, by the way, here are the 2 cards. So according to the given condition, 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x equals to 3 by 10. Once you solve this, you will get 15 by x into 15 minus x equals to 3 by 10. Which gives you 150 equals to 3x 15 minus x, which gives you a quadratic equation x square minus 15x plus 50. Okay, now it's your choice. You want to solve this through factorization or quadratic formula, right? If it's a simple, we should go for factorization. If it's complicated, then use quadratic formulas. I think this is simple enough. We can split this into sum of minus 10 and minus 5. So let's do that. This will become x square minus 10x minus 5x equals to 0. So I think I'm just skipping one step. Therefore, the card denomination are 5 and 10. Okay, next problem is, let's help prove find total number of minions. The sum of the number of minions and its reciprocal is 3 by 2. Find the total number of minions. Okay, great. So let's say total number of minions is x. Okay, and let's use the given condition x plus 1 by x equals to 3 by 2, which is nothing but x square plus x square minus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. We solve this quadratic, we get 2x minus 1. This gives us x equals to 1 by 3, which is in fraction. This gives x equals to 2. Oh, it's a small number. Okay, so you won't consider this. So the total number of minion is 2. That's pretty small. Okay, let's read the next example. On one of the island, 1/4 of the total zombies was seen in forest. Twice the square root of the zombies had gone to mountains, and remaining was seen on the bank of a river. Find the total number of zombies. Okay, so let's say the total number is x. Now let's use all the given conditions here, right? Number of zombies in forest is equals to x and 4 zombies gone to mountains equals to 2 root x. Zombies on the bank of equals to 15. So the total is nothing but x by 4 plus 2 root x plus 15, right? This means x was total, x equals to x by 4 plus 2 root x plus 15. Now solving this, we'll get 3x minus 8 root x minus 60 equals to 0. Now I can write this as 3 under root x square minus 8 under root x minus 60. Okay, now let's say y equals to under root x, sorry, just x, which means y square equals to x. Now this becomes 3y square minus 8y minus 60 equals to 0. Solving this, we'll get 3y plus 10 y minus 6 equals to 0, which means y is equals to 6 or y is equals to minus. Y cannot be negative. Okay, so if y equals to minus 10 by 3, x equals to minus 10 by 3 whole square, which is 9. But number of zombies cannot be in fractions, so we'll not consider this. Take the other value. So in this case, x equals to 6 square equals to 36. So this is the total number of zombies. Okay, next question is, during a chemistry class, 7 by 2 times the square root of total number of students are sitting in class. The 2 remaining are in canteen having coffee. Okay, what is the total number of students? Let's say total number of student is x, right? So using given conditions, students in class is 7 by 2. So therefore x equals to 7 by 2 root x plus 2. So this becomes x minus 7 by Now we'll do same thing. Let's say under root x equals to y, so x equals to y square. Replace this in the above equation, so this becomes y square minus 7 by 2y minus 2 is to 0. This gives us 2y square minus 7y minus 4 is to 0. Once we solve this, we will get 8, 1, 4. Okay, so 2y square minus 8y plus y minus 4 equals to 0. This gives us y minus 4 and 2y plus 1 equals to 0. This gives y is equals to 4. This gives y equals to minus 1 by 2. This is not possible. Therefore, y is equals to 4. Which means x is equals to y square. Right? So total number of students is 16. Okay, so the next question is, if the sum of all the goals made by Ronaldo in n matches is 420 and in every match he made 2 more goals than previous match, starting with 2 goals in his first match, find the total number of matches. Okay, so let's use the given condition. It is given that the sum of all the goals is 420 and started with 2 goals in first match. He has played n matches and in every match he has made 2 more goals in the previous one, which means starting with first goals made in first match, goals made in second match, third match, fourth match to end terms equals to 420. Now using this is forming AP, right, and the formula is n by 2 a square plus n minus 1 d. Right, so using this formula, this becomes n minus 1 4 plus n minus 1 2 plus 420. Now solving this, we'll get a quadratic a quadratic equation. We can solve this by factorization. I think 21 and 20 could be those two numbers. And square is 21 and minus 20 and plus 420 gives you n plus 21 minus 20 plus 2 0 therefore this gives n equals to minus 21. This gives n equals to 20. We will avoid minus negative value, so this is the answer. Okay, so next question is, find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose square is 290. So it's a very simple condition. Let x be the odd positive number. Right? Which means odd positive integer just greater than x is x plus 2. And it is given that x square plus x plus 2 2 whole square is nothing but 290. Right? Solving this, we'll get x square plus 2x minus 143 equals to 0. Solving this through factorization will give us 13. Will not consider this because it's negative, so x equals to 11, right? The first number, and the second number is x plus 2, so 13. These are the two numbers. Okay, next problem is the speed of Jack Sparrow's boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream, right? So let's say that the speed of stream be x km per hour, right? The speed downstream would be 15 plus x and speed upstream would be 15 minus x, right? So the time taken by boat to go 30 km upstream would be time taken to go 30 km upstream would be 30 by 15 minus x hours, right? And the time taken by the boat to return 30 km downstream would be 15 x hours, right? Now it is given that boat returns to the same point in 4 hours 30 minutes. So this is your main condition. Therefore 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x 9 by 2. Okay, now I want you guys to solve this equation. I'll just write down the final answer. The speed of the stream is 5 km. Okay, next problem is a fast car takes 3 hours less than slow car for a journey of 600 km. If the speed of the slow car is 10 km per hour less than that of fast car, find the speeds of two car. Okay, let's say the speed of fast car or slow car is x, right? Speed of slow car is x, then the speed of fast car is x plus 10, right, in kilometer per hour, right? Now let's use the other given condition. Time taken by slow car to cover 600 km is 600 by x hours, and time taken by fast car to cover 600 km is 600 by x plus 10. Okay, so the given condition, according to the given condition, this minus this minus this is 3, right? So let's write it down. Okay, so this is the condition. This will give you quadratic equation. I want you guys to solve this. I'll just write the final answer. The speed of two cars would be 40 km per hour and 50 km per hour. Okay, next problem is in a flight of 600 km, aircraft was slowed down due to problem in one of its propeller. Okay, just skipping this line. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 km per hour and the time of the flight increased by 30 minutes. Find the duration of flight. Okay, let's say original speed of the aircraft is x kilometer per hour, right? Therefore the new speed would be x minus 200, right, in kilometer per hour. Now let's use the other condition. Now duration of flight at original speed is equals to 600. Guys, I'm writing everything in short form. If you write like this in exam, you won't get any marks, right? So you have to write everything in detail. And duration of flight at reduced speed is 600 by x minus 200. So which means 600 divided by x minus 200 minus 600 by x equals to half, right? So this is the quadratic equation. This will give you a quadratic equation, and again I want you guys to solve this. I'm just writing the final answer here, which is nothing but the value of x would be 600, right? So duration of flight would be 600 by x, which is nothing but 600 divided by 600 in hour, 1 hour. Well, let me explain this step again. So it says that the time of the flight is increased by 30 minutes, which means the difference between this value and this value is 30 minutes. So this is nothing but 30 minutes in hours. Next problem is man the below pick and row is boat at speed of 5 km per hour in still water. If it takes him 1 hour more to row the boat 5.25 km upstream, then to return downstream, find the speed of the stream. Okay, so let's say the speed of the stream is x km per hour, right? Now let's use the given conditions. Speed of boat, right, upstream would be 5 minus x in kilometer hour, and speed of boat downstream would be 5 plus x kilometer per hour. Now time taken for going 5.25 kilometer upstream, 5.25 upstream would be nothing but 5.25 by 5 minus x hours, right? Similarly, time taken for going 5.25 kilometer downstream, and it is obvious that time taken for going 5.25 km upstream is more than the time taken for going 5.25 km downstream, right? There's no doubt about it. And it is given that time taken for going 5.25 kilometer upstream is 1 hour more than the time taken for going 5.25 downstream, right? So this value is more, right? So what we'll do is we'll have to add 1 here to equate the equation, which is nothing but, so this is 5.25 by 5 minus x equals to, and this is, we'll add 1 here and write 5.25 minus x. So this is the equation. I want you guys to solve this. I'll just write the final answer. The speed of a stream is 2 km per hour. Guys, if you like Yummy Maths, then go to our Facebook page and please write a review about us. Our Facebook page address is facebook.com/yummymath. And if you have any doubt or question, please go ahead and post it in our comment section at the bottom of this page. Thank you. Bye bye.